Samsung's gearing up to unload some serious tech next month at Galaxy Unpacked, and yep, it's going to be a busy one. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series are all set to make their debut, the foldables. Honestly, they're shaping up to be a pretty sweet deal, especially with that nice little price cut in Europe. But when it comes to the smartwatches, that's where things get a little less exciting and a lot more expensive. Let's start with the Galaxy Watch 8. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check: over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel, it genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. According to leaks, it's getting a price bump, around 40 to 50 euros more than last year's Watch 7. So if you're eyeing the 40mm or 44mm models, expect to pay around 359 and 399 euros. That's up from 319 and 349 euros. Not exactly what you'd call affordable for a smartwatch refresh. Now, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is also going through the same price evolution. If the rumors are on point, we're looking at a 50 euro increase over the Watch 6 Classic. That would bring the starting price to 469 euros. A bit steep for something that, at least on the surface, doesn't look drastically different. But wait, there's more. Enter the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, which is basically a rebranded version of the 2024 Ultra, just with a new coat of paint. Some folks were hoping that meant a cheaper price tag this time around. Nope. Samsung is reportedly sticking with 699 euros, making it the priciest one in the entire lineup. So if you were holding out for a budget-friendly Ultra, bad news, it's not happening. And what about the 2024 Ultra? No word yet on whether Samsung plans to keep it on shelves. If they do, they'll probably knock a bit off the price to avoid confusion. But chances are it quietly disappears right after the event. Classic Samsung move. Here's something else worth watching: Samsung Health. A senior exec recently hinted that the company could start charging for some of its advanced coaching features. Think Fitbit Premium, Apple Fitness Plus, that kind of thing. It's not official yet, but it sounds like we might see a paywall pop up in the not-so-distant future for premium health tracking. Even with all these increases, Samsung's still coming in a bit cheaper than Apple's upcoming Watch Series 10. But with competition heating up from the Pixel Watch 3 and the OnePlus Watch 3, Samsung's clearly walking a tightrope on pricing and features. Everything will be confirmed at Galaxy Unpacked on July 9th, 10 a.m. sharp. Expect the full lineup of foldables, the complete Watch 8 range, maybe that long-rumored Project New One headset, and even a fresh set of Galaxy Buds. So, what's your take? Do these upgrades justify the higher price tags, or is Samsung pushing it a little too far this time? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay sharp and stay tuned.